AK and Karen.
And Karen.
Go!
Oh!
Hey!
Oh,
How
no.
much of these I'm going to get? I don't like this.
Oh,
Clothes in that junk. How much?
can I open all of them?
You can open all of them, yeah. Just make sure you put them back in that bag.
Can I just see?
Can you just open your box first and let's finish that?
This girly stuff.
That's a new hoodie. How's that girly stuff?
Oh, I thought it was girly.
There's two.
Here's my new
I'm
hoodie.
gonna do all that.
Ooh. Now we can retire your striped hoodie.
And here my
Give me the
pen.
face.
Cool.